My musician friend earns her entire living from home. It's super cool. So I used to perform at a place called Howl at the Moon. If you've ever been to a dueling piano bar, then you know what it is. And one of my friends was also a dueling pianist. So we would sing and we would perform every night for like up to 7 hours. It was bananas. And she didn't want to do it anymore. So she started creating music in her garage. And then she started reaching out to syncing agents and getting signed with different companies that actually get your music on movies, film, commercials, advertisements, TV shows. And quickly she was able to replace her income. She didn't want the late nights performing anymore. She didn't want to be around, everyone drinking and acting crazy. I caught up with her recently and it was really awesome because she literally set up a studio in her garage and now just creates music from home. She has different syncing agents and different companies that she works with that once she creates the music, they handle the business and they split it 50-50 with her. I think it's just really cool to know as a musician, you can shape your music career however you want and you have lots of options. If you're interested in getting a syncing agent, me and my team actually put together a list of thousands of syncing agents that can get your music on movies, film, commercials, and movies. They just get a percentage if they place your music. And keep in mind, you still own your music. You're just allowing a company and giving them permission to use your music on their ads. So check the description and I'll send you a link.